Hello, I'm Elisa Osborne, and this is my second time at Modern Family Dental. And I've had a great experience both times. The first time was at the Northlake office for a root canal. Um, and I was treated wonderfully, so much so that when it was time for a cleaning, I knew I wanted to come back to Modern Family Dental and get my teeth cleaned. And I came today to get my teeth cleaned. Lauren was the person who helped me, and I got a thorough cleaning, thorough examination. It was a wonderful experience again. I look forward actually to coming back in 6 months. I can't say enough good things about both of the offices there. My children have gone to the Concord office. My husband also. So you have a wonderful practice, and